Welcome back. Today we're making these super easy vanilla cupcakes. To make the batter, we're taking 1 1/4 cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder. Right into our bowl, we're going to give this a quick stir with just a wooden spoon to get things mixed together and incorporated. And then it's time to start adding our wet ingredients. So to this, we're adding 1/2 cup of buttermilk, which is at room temperature. I'm giving this a quick stir with my wooden spoon to get that buttermilk kind of worked into those dry ingredients. And once the mixture begins to look a bit crumbly, it's time to add in our additional wet ingredients. So I'm adding in 1/2 cup of just regular tap water, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1 large egg, and also 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. I'm going to stir this together until everything is really nice and smooth. And once the batter has come together, it's time to add it into our lined muffin tins. I like to use a cookie scoop just to make the process easier, and I'm filling the liners about 3/4 of the way full. I'm going to bake my cupcakes in a preheated 350-degree oven for about 17 minutes, and then it's time to decorate them. So once my cupcakes have fully cooled, I'm piping just a large dollop of frosting on top of them without a frosting tip. So to do this, I've just cut an opening in my piping bag that's about 1.5 centimeters wide, and I'm just piping 1 large mound of frosting on top of each cupcake. I chilled these cupcakes to allow the frosting to firm up just a bit, and then I'm adding a fun little topping of chocolate ganache here. So the goal of this is to have some of the ganache kind of flow over the sides and down onto the cupcake. It looks beautiful, it provides such a wonderful contrast against that bright pink frosting, and it also tastes delicious with the vanilla cupcake and vanilla buttercream. So once I had topped each of my cupcakes with some ganache, I added some of my favorite sprinkles. So this blend is from Sweet Apolita, and if you want to order some yourself, you can actually use the code Chelsweets15 to get 15% off your entire order. And that's it, our cupcakes are decorated and ready to be enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want the recipe, you can find it on chelsweets.com.